Hi there, and thank you for joining me. Today, I'll briefly show you the Waitr app for your phone or tablet that can make food ordering very convenient and safe during this pandemic. I like the Waitr app because it allows me to order from a variety of locally owned restaurants. Note, it claims to give you both takeout and delivery options, but I've only seen the takeout option available during this time. It may be reinstated at a later date. Most major food chains have apps of this type that will allow you to order items with a credit card using a smartphone or tablet, enabling you to minimize risky contact with others. These apps, including the Waitr app, are available in the Apple and Google Play stores. Let's take a look at it. If you'll notice at the bottom left-hand corner of my screen, the green Waitr app is there. I'm going to tap on it once, and if I go to the home section there at the very top, it has featured restaurants you can choose from. If you decide to make any of these your favorites, you'll notice that an outline of a white heart is there. So if you want to add Cajun wild crab to your favorites, you just tap on that heart and it'll appear at the very bottom on your favorites list. Also, if you want to start ordering, let's say I want to order something for Margadonas. If I tap on the picture, I can then browse their menu. And let's say that I want to order a salad. And let's look at the guacamole salad. I'm going to tap on that. It allows me to set the quantity as well as type in any special requests. When I'm ready to add it to my cart, I just click on the Add Item to Cart button. And then it will eventually allow me to review my order. Giving it just a moment. Okay, I'm going to click on Review Order at the very bottom. And at this point, I can check to make sure everything I want is there. When I'm ready to proceed to checkout, I just tap on that button. And I can set the tip as well as just make sure that my phone number is correct as well as my credit card number and everything. When I'm ready to order, I just click on Place Carryout Order and it'll let me know about when it's going to be ready as well as how to get my food. I'm going to go ahead and back out and click on Cancel Order and show you at the very bottom when you see the search icon at the very bottom that's depicted by the magnifying glass. If I click on that, I can then browse major categories of foods and find the restaurants that correspond to those categories. Okay, well, I hope I've helped you today. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to us. You can go to our website at www.sgrl.org and click on the chat icon to talk with somebody live. Thank you very much for watching and have a great day.